it's a little nippy in here. Wait, no, not yet. Anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell all your friends, and rave about my channel. Anyway, today is Toolie Tuesday, and I got a tool to show you. Yeah, I have a tool to show you. Okay. Anyway, if you don't know anything about vice grips, you'll know or if you do know anything about vice grips, and you do know anything about my channel, you know I like vice grips. And previous videos, I've showed you these ones. These are common welding vice grips. They're vice grip number 9R. These ones have been dipped in rubber, and this one's got no glove, no love, and this one's got no glove. Lots of love. So anyway, basically they're welding vice grips, and want to cramp on panels, hold sheet metal, whatever you want to do. These are 9Rs. You've seen these in previous videos. There's also one that's I've done a video of. This is a 9AC. This one holds flat. I'm assuming, yeah, it's like that. See, it's to hold panels together, sheet metal, anything you want to cramp together. This one still smells of fresh, unused Irwin juice. You can see the Irwin juice in there. So these are pretty cool. You can, I don't know, you can hold whatever size you want in there. See, what have I used these for? I've used them to hold like pieces of wood, all kinds of stuff. You want to hold something together and drill a hole through it. It works great. They're not what do you call it? They're not. These are hard to find. These are. You go on eBay and you see these things. I bought one in a box. I bought one with the original box because it was cheaper than one that was abused. So you will, if you're lucky, you'll see these things for less than $49. I usually see them brand new like this for $78, $100. This one I didn't pay that much at all, but I found one, and I never realized they had these. But there's one other elusive little vice grip out there that I didn't know existed. Well, I think I did know existed, but I forgot about, and I thought it was this one. So in my trolling of eBay, I picked up this one. This is a 11P. Not really sure what the hell this would be for. I'm assuming you'd have something on an angle, whatever. See, but it's, if I see the difference, this one holds like this. That one's like that, and this one is like that. Huge difference. These ones, you could tell it's kind of a spin-off of this one, but even this one, the actual vice grip itself in this one is a lot bigger. 9-inch, 11-inch. If you look at it, these don't show up on eBay very often. I've been looking for the last year and a half on eBay, like a eBay troll, and I've found modified ones, weird ones, but you'll see maybe 2 or 3 a month out here, if maybe a little more. But they're pretty cool. See, I just thought this was really cool. What the hell I honestly can say I don't know what the hell I'd use this for. I'm sure I'll find a use one of these days. It'll be like a plumbing wrench. I use it like once every 6 years, but I own one, so I mean I can't really use it. I mean I could use it for people that owe me money. Stick a finger in there and scrimp it a little, but I'd rather use a hydraulic one for that. But yeah, this is an original. Yeah, it's an original Peterson. You can see the Peterson logo on there. If you look right here, there's a 9. There's the vice grip logo. Little hole here. Knurled end. It's got that nice old vice grip feel. The newer Irwin ones, like this one, is too smooth. This one has a nice, like, there's friction, and this one is all slippery when wet, kind of, it just doesn't feel right. And this one right here has the same thing. It's got the old, it's not too grippy, but it's like kind of in between. I don't know if this one's a Irwin. This is a genuine. This is a Peterson. Same thing. It's got that nice, whoever picked, what do you call it? I don't know, coating, I guess, patina, whatever, I don't know what you call it. Whoever picked this thing, picked it perfect, because it's not too grippy, but you can slide it around your hand. And this one, and this Irwin job here is just way too smooth. It's like, it has the same kind of color, but it's too smooth. Anyway, with that said, what the hell is this? with that said, I hope you like my little vice grip video. It's a Irwin. No, yeah, this is a vice grip 11P. So if you like tools, it's not vintage, it's not old. This is just a rather interesting. I'm sure you can buy a knockoff like this. I'm sure there's other variations. I know. What is it? What's that company again? They make orange tools. Shit. Well, I can't remember it now. I own a few of them. They're. But anyway, there's another company that makes some interesting locking pliers, and I know I have some in there, and I can't remember the name, and I'll remember after I go look. But anyway, with that said, like, subscribe, tell your friends I got vice grips. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, click some buttons. Thank you.